We have developed the rad heat gas heating elements, which is effectively replacing all electrical heating, thermic fluid heating, hot air generator systems and steam heating systems in any indirect heating application. The systems are very useful because they incorporate the advantages of electrical heaters, as in they are safe and clean to use, and they have one added advantage, that is they are saving on the running cost to the tune of 50%. The basic concept is that instead of having a 1-inch tube which is energized by electrical heaters, you have a 3-inch tube or a 4-inch tube which is energized by a gas heating system. The concept works like this, that say you are using it in an oven or a liquid heating tank, the tubings which can be shaped and designed as per the requirement of the application in various W shape, S shape, U shape, depending on what is the available area, and this much of the part of the tube enters into the system just like your immersion heaters. Now the basic system consists of a burner, a tube and a fan. Now when you give power to the system, the ID fan checks for any leakage in the system. If there is no leakage in the system, then in about 10 to 12 seconds, a vacuum probing switch which is incorporated inside the burner gets a signal that at a level of -6 mm, it confirms that there is enough vacuum inside, it is safe to fire. Then after doing this safe start check, the burner goes into a ignition mode and a little flame is formed inside the tube which travels across the tube as hot gases, and because of this the tube becomes hot and liberates heat into the area wherever you are requiring the heat. When the desired temperature of the application is achieved, a thermostat gives a signal to the sequence controller, and the burner controls the temperature of the utility automatically in between plus or -2 degrees centigrade. So this system can be used effectively in any oven application, in any liquid heating application, and in any space heating application, wherever you would like to use a very safe, a very useful and a very cost effective alternative.